Careless drivers are all around us, and it's our job to keep ourselves safe by riding defensively. This biker thought that he was alone on this nice curvy road, but he was wrong. Take a look.
Oh, yo.
Come on, man! Use your eyes! There's another whistle off going on here.
This biker wasn't happy about how this red car overtook him, and because of that, he confronted the driver.
Really? It's raining? Come on. It's lane splitting, it's legal. Do it! It's late. Really? Oh. You know, you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, eh? Oh, mate.
To make things even worse, driver continued to rage and he followed biker down the road.
I'm fine. What happened? I hit your back. I didn't know you were still turning. Where the f*** is Harry?
क्या कर रहे हो ब्रो? ऐसे कैसे टर्न कर रहे हो यार तुम?
This biker recorded crazy scene that happened right in front of him. Driver lost control, hit the sidewalk, and then ditched the car down the street.
Oh, you're just gonna continue?
While waiting in the traffic, this biker got rear-ended by a lady in a Mustang. He got pretty upset about it. Check it out.
Dude, what the f***? You're a idiot. Pull over there. Dude, we were stopped.
I know, I looked down, it was my fault.
Well, you need to look up and pay attention to what the you're doing, you know?
I'm so sorry.
Damn, man.
Biker cop was in the middle of the chase when he lost control and hit biker. My question is, who pays for the damages when something like this happens? Car did a U-turn over double yellow lines without checking for oncoming traffic. Biker didn't have any time to avoid it. Luckily, he survived this crash and he is currently recovering.
Second time, I saw you on the mini road, how you were up his keeping it in.
In the wrong lane he was. He was in the wrong lane and he was on his phone.
Check your book.
He was in the wrong
Stop
lane.
talking to me, I'm concentrating.
Yeah.
Damn it! Oh, this car pulled right in front of me. Crazy, man. Oh my god.
While overtaking traffic, this biker ran into a car that was turning left. Guys, if you're gonna overtake, pay attention on your surroundings. You never know when someone is going to change lane or turn. And that's it for this episode. Guys, the new part of our brick house build is up. Make sure to check it out and please leave some feedback.